How to plant and cultivate flower blood mine for ornamental plants for beginners. Blood mole, or known as Excocarya cachichensis, are medicinal plants, are toxic and come from China and Southeast Asia. Another name of this blood connective plant in Indonesia is the leaves of the meat remek, blood sambag leaves, ki sambag. Habitat sambag life, or areas that many plants found life sparrows, are forest and fields in the open or slightly protected. Scientific classification: blood mole. Kingdom: Platy. Order: Malpighiales. Family: Euphorbiaceae. Genus: Excocarya. Species: E. cachichensis. Blood grafting plant in the form of small shrub plants with a height can reach 0.5 to 3 meters. This plant has a woody stems with many branches. When exposed to scratches it will come out white, sap toxic. Single and somewhat long-blooded leaf with opposite or alternating position, gerard leaf shape to elongated lanceolate with dark green on top and dark red at the bottom. Blood flower flowers are compound. Flowers are yellow, small-sized stacked bunches and emerged from the ends of branches and stems. The blood spleen plant contains shikamic acid, tannin, bahite acid, palmatic acid, stearic acid, excalabdo, B, U0026 degrees Celsius, triterpenoid exocarol, Excocaryadesa and B. The part used in the treatment of leaves, twigs and roots. The nature of this plant is spicy, warm and poisonous. This plant can also be used to kill parasites, itching remover, hemostasis or bleeding stop, treating bloody wounds, psoriasis, eczema, and uridermatitis. Besides being used for medicinal plants, this plant is also used as an ornamental plant. Blood grafting plants can grow in areas with an altitude of 300 meters above sea level and can be propagated by graft, cuttings or seeds. Here's how to plant and cultivate flower blood mine for ornamental plants for beginners. More. 1. Flower breeding mine breeding. Blood can be multiplied by grafting, cuttings or seeds. However, because it belongs to woody shrubs, this plant is widely diploic by way of stem cuttings without roots or with roots. 2. How to plant flower blood mine. First, prepare the planting medium derived from a mixture of soil and manure or compost with a ratio of 1:1. After that, the seeds can be planted immediately on the planting medium that has been prepared. Plants will grow well if the planting distance is well regulated, because this plant has many branches and leafy. 3. How to care for blood mine flowers. Treatments that need to be done on the flowers of this life splash is watering, fertilizing and pruning. Watering is done regularly when plants need water only, while fertilization should be done at least 2 months. Then pruning can be done if the plant wants to be formed according to your wishes. So we are discussing about how to plant and cultivate flower blood mine for ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.